Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox a microphone from Boya. It is also called as a Boya M1 microphone. I am and will be using this mic for recording audio for my YouTube video. I thought it would be useful to share the unboxing with you all. Let's get started with the unboxing. As you can see, this is the package of the mic Boya M1. Let us unbox the same. The packaging is simple, nothing special or anything like that. Opening up the box, we have a pouch which might be containing the mic and everything. Also there is some paperwork. Let us first have a look on the same. It consists of a warranty card or something like that, and there is also a manual on how you can use the mic, and also all our features which are explained. You need to go through it so that you will be able to know how to use the mic. Opening up this pouch, it includes the mic. Oh, the cable quality is very long. This is very good to see. As you can see, this is the mic itself. The pouch has an inner soft lining in order to protect your mic. This is the mic itself. The build quality is very good. The metal part you are seeing is made from metal, and the wire is really very long, so you will be able to connect it from your main camera or any other thing wherever you are going to use it. This is very useful. Another thing which I included along with the mic are this windscreen and the other adapter which can be used when you want to connect the mic to a bigger source such as the DJs or other sound amplifiers and so on. There is also a clip which can be attached with the mic so that you can hook it to your t-shirt as well. Thus, that was it for the unboxing. The button cell which you are seeing in the video is for powering the mic when you are connecting to the cameras, that is the external cameras. There is a switch on the controller which toggles the mode on and off for power via battery. If you are using it on smartphones, it's not needed. It is needed only when you are connecting the microphone to a DSLR camera or anything like that. I'm going to use this for making YouTube videos. Do you want me to make a review for the same? Do let me know in the comments below if you wish to see a review for the Boya M1 mic. Thank you for watching.